beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome also. On today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how to make your meat pie. And as you can see right here, I already have all the ingredients necessary for this meat pie. So I'll be showing you guys one after another what I have here. Yeah, I have my flour. There's about 500 grams of flour. I have my onion. I have my red meat. This is half a kilo. I have my 200 grams of butter ready to be used. I have my 2 eggs here. Most people don't like using eggs, but I like to use egg. I have my Irish potatoes and my carrot. I have a cup of milk. Many people don't like using milk also. They prefer to use water, but I prefer to use milk. Right here I have my baking powder and that vanilla taste. I want that vanilla taste on my meat pie. Here I have my thyme, my Maggi, my salt, my black pepper and my curry. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. So we'll be adding our onion. Now that our onions is ready, we're going to be adding our beef. Okay, now our meat is ready, so we can add our potato and our carrot. So you stir them. So right now I'm going to add the other ingredients, which is this. Firstly, I'm going to add my Maggi and the rest of them. No need to put them separately. You can as well, when you're doing it yourself, you can do it the way you want. You can put them separately or you put them together. But at the end, the taste will still come out the same. Okay, I'll just leave it to boil a little before I add water to it. So I'm going to add water now. I'm going to add about 300 grams of water. This time around you're going to cover it and allow it to get done. Okay. So we're going to leave them.
As you can see, yeah, the sauce is already ready. So right now I still need to do something. I'm going to add the butter and the flour. So on this particular video, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour into this water. It's a 200 ml. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of flour inside the water, mix it together, and then I'm going to pour it inside the sauce. just like as I'm doing right now in this video. I didn't pour everything once. I'm pouring them gradually. So since I poured once before, I'm going to stir it together. And I'm going to pour the last one. As you can see, I pour everything. And then I'm going to stir it again. Make sure to stir it very well. Okay, so right now I'm going to be baking the meat pie. Inside this flour, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Remember, half a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to mix them together. Of course, do not forget your vanilla flavor. That is if you want to add a flavor to it. Do not forget. I'm mixing it together, yeah. That's my vanilla flavor that I said I would add. I'm going to add it. It's very small inside. It's not even many, so I'll just add everything once. Mix them up together again. And I'm going to put my 200 grams of butter. This is one part that I don't like doing because you have to mix them with your hands, your bare hands. You can also wear gloves if you want, if you don't want to do maybe probably your hands, or if you have nails on, you can use gloves. Mix it very well. Continue mixing. So I'm done mixing them. As you can see, it's quite different from before. Right now I'm going to add my 2 eggs. Mix them together thoroughly. Mix it very well because the egg needs to mix well with the flour. Yeah, I already mixed it very well. So the next thing to add is your milk. Though I took a cup of milk, a glass of milk, I'm not going to put everything because the flour doesn't need to get so soft. Even though I didn't show it twice, I put the milk 2 times. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys that I didn't use all the milk. That's the milk that is left. So you should allow it to be like this, not too soft, not too strong. Yeah, it's ready. You just have to wrap it and then keep it inside the fridge. Yeah, I'm wrapping the flour, the dough. So after wrapping it, I'm going to keep it inside the fridge for about 13 minutes to an hour.
So it's past 45 minutes and the flour pie is almost ready. You just have to guys, this is the last one. I'm not going to cut. There is something I need to explain to you guys. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, you can use something like this or anything round that can cut the meat pie, that can give it a shape. Well, this particular one, I'm just going to do it like that. I'm not going to cut it. I'm just trying to let you guys know that even if you're doing it on your own, so long as it's not something you're going to give to people outside, or maybe you're not preparing it, if you're not preparing it for a party, you can as well just do it like this. If you want to eat it on your own, like you're just hungry, you want to eat meat pie, you want to prepare it yourself, you can just as well do it like this. Instead of cutting, just use your hand. That's it. And then I'm going to put a lot because this is really big. It's really very big. It's the last one, so. And then just go like this. Shaping it because it's really big. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this. So, right, let me show you guys what it looks like. It's really very big and long. Okay, now that I'm done with the meat pie, I'm just going to take, so I'm going to take my egg. I'll just cut it like this. Brush the egg very well on top of the meat pie. So now that I'm done, I'm going to just go like this, So as you guys can see, the meat pies are ready to go into the oven. This is the final part of the meat pie. As you can see, they're ready to be eaten. See this? So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share for my next video. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.